Look what the owners built for me. They expanded my playground. Let's go. Alright guys, I've been a very busy girl today. This is our new trough made out of rocks. Absolutely love it. It's probably about a 3 by 2.5, I would say. Maybe a 4 by 3, just an estimate. Let's take a look around. We got broccoli and onions. I'm thinking cabbage and maybe some celery. Cauliflower. Silver queen corn. Nothing's in the ground, just planting, guys. I want to do the three sisters in the middle here. There's butternut squash around the silver queens. We have the amaze corn. I'm going to have some sunflowers. This looks like it might be the sugar pumpkin patch. I'm thinking carrots here. The trough is so easy to dig carrots out of. That would be carrots. Maybe radishes, but we have a lot of carrots. Yellow watermelon from sock, I think, is going to go in a trough. I do have fencing to secure these. We have Hell's Best full-grown cantaloupe, full-grown honeydew. I'm thinking all this is going to be potatoes. Room for a lot of potatoes. These are the trellises for the tomatoes. I will use a string to guide them up. We have this back area now that I will use for probably raspberries, strawberries, blackberries. That will be the asparagus trough. 5 2-year crowns on the way. Blueberries. Maybe a barrage. Be very careful where you plant barrage. I'll show you why. Oh, this is going to be peppers. Get behind this trough and I'll tell you why you be careful where you plant barrage. I planted 3 barrage plants last year. Not knowing they spread like peppermint no matter how many times you till. These will all be barrage. Which is good. They're friends with the brassicas, so they'll be behind the broccoli and the cabbage. Pea pillar. It got a little damaged, but we'll make it work. Let's walk on the outside of the new trellis. I love this thing. These will be all pickling cucumbers. Right now the big plants are scattered. I have little plants I'll put in between. Some plants will go inside. Let's go inside. We're going to have our pole beans, garden beans. We'll climb that. Brian made that beautiful bench for me. And my sister. I think we're going to have a zucchini area. I think they're black zucchini. We come here. Brian got me an ocelot plant. Apparently they're friends with lavender, which is what's mixed in here. Our lavender came back. We're going to have sugar cube watermelons and sugar cube cantaloupe. I'm going to have my babies climb the fence. The full grown will be over there. You guys have any suggestions? Let me know. Check out our short. Let me know what I should put in our new rock thing. I'm pretty proud, guys. We got a lot done today. We'll get them in the ground soon. 2 days of rain, but at least we have a plan. Let's go. Love you all.